welcome to my channel. Today I draw a duck. Let's start. Let's start coloring yellow color.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock. The clock struck two,
Light color.
away she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory
Sky
dock,
blue
the
color.
dog barked at the clock. The clock struck three, fiddly-dee. Hickory dickory dock.
If you like this video, to please subscribe our channel.